Hi guys, welcome to another episode of At Home with Effet. This is what our backyard looked like early April before we did like a makeover. As you can see, we moved again. This is Canada for you. We moved, we've been in this house for 2 years now, and I'm going to show you the after. This is the after with the wood flooring, the teak floor, the landscape that's been done, and the nice sitting area there with the gazebo. It was a very windy day, beautiful day. So we'll show you what we did. So at first, this is my daughter Liza cleaning. She wanted to pitch in and help. We had to basically remove that area with the dirt, the weeds and all that. My husband used the weed whacker. This is us. We went to the store to grab some rocks to finish the landscaping. So I opted for white rocks and some brown mulch with some edging. You're gonna see the edging in a minute here. So I'm showing you the rocks. My husband was helping. The first time I went, it was just by myself and he was at work. The second time I was like, I'm gonna wait on the weekend for him to carry those rocks because they were heavy. So all the bags and then the edging, the plastic edging, and we used the little hammer to hammer down. And this is a close-up of the brand that we use. So it's 4 feet landscape edging, and it's at Lowe's. Your version of Lowe's, our version is Rona Plus because they've merged. And this is the wood that I ordered from Amazon. It's Majestic Goods wood. And then I'm showing you what I did with the landscaping. Alright guys, I am sweaty. It's been hard work. We're still working on it on the deck, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me flip the camera here. So far this is what we have. The flooring has been done, and I showed you earlier what it looks like. And what we did here was to put the water seal, so as a waterproofer. That way, even if it rains on it, it's not gonna get spoiled. Some of the reviews said after 2 years, they had to change the flooring because it became discolored. So I decided to not waste any time and put that on. So as you can see, when you put it on, it looks like milk, but then when it dries, it's clear. Okay, so don't be afraid. This part here, we did it, so it's drying right now, but I freaked out and I called my husband and I asked him to come check it out. So on this side, we're doing the landscaping, some brown mulch and some rocks, white rocks. Still have to assemble the furniture and put the gazebo. So, and I have to plant this flower there, and I also have to plant that one over there. I have to put it in. So this is what we have so far. So the landscaping has been done, the flooring has been installed. Now we're gonna focus on the gazebo and assembling the furniture as well. So my husband was assembling the gazebo with our nephew Mark, and they started late, so then the night fell. They kept going until basically they couldn't see, so they stopped for the night. And this is the furniture that I bought from Wayfair, Safavier outdoor furniture, and the wood that you have to assemble. The pieces are almost assembled, but you still have to install the legs and connect the chairs. So this is a picture of the before, again, you see, and here the after. It was windy that day and it was perfect day, perfect weather. And I'm showing you the furniture. It's very comfortable. My mom was able to enjoy it because we did it for her birthday actually. She was visiting us for a few months, and that was our birthday present for her. So we did it. Some stuff that I still need to work on right there, that area, the black area, I still need to add some of the wood. We need to basically buy more and add it there to complete the look. I got some lanterns from Real Canadian Superstore and some decor pieces. We didn't want to cover that area. It's just beautiful, and it pairs very beautifully with the furniture and the rug and the little green elements here and there, the pop of green. I'm very in love with that area. We've spent a lot of time there. It's very enjoyable. And I got that pillow, I believe, from Walmart. So this is a picture of my mom and my daughter. And you have a few other pictures of the day look. I'm going to show you a little bit also of the night look, the night view. So you tell me in the comments below, which one do you prefer? The view during the day, so morning view or evening view, your choice. Here's the evening view, very nicely done with the lights that we hung, the string lights that we hung all over the fence. So it creates a certain mood. And I also got some lanterns on the other side that I put on one of the end tables. The landscaping, everything, the lights, the path lights that are behind, they don't light up when the string lights are on because it's bright enough. But when the string lights are not on, you will see the path lights, and they're very beautiful as well. So it's a nice mood that night. They actually had fireworks, so it was beautiful to sit outside and enjoy some free entertainment, I guess. So enjoy everything. If you like my channel, if you like what you saw, the makeover that I did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please subscribe. It helps me. And like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next makeover. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.